So let's have a look at the phytoplankton blooms on the Aral Sea. Just a little snapshot. They happen every year around the northern hemisphere summer, or the southern hemisphere winter, over 2 to 3 months, stretching a wide area, several hundred kilometers in extent. Okay, and you can see them in satellite products like the one that's shown here. This is actually called fluorescence line height, and it's a method that's used to actually distinguish true chlorophyll signals from fake chlorophyll. You can have fake chlorophyll systems from sediment signals, which are not true plankton bloom. Okay. Also, you can also identify the upwelling that is causes these phytoplankton blooms through a lowering of the sea surface temperature, which is shown here on the right-hand side. Here you can see where the mouse looks at an area where the sea surface temperature is used by 1 to 2 degrees in this area, and this can only happen if you move subsurface water, which is colder, to the surface. And this is always the link between the physical process, the nutrient supply, and the response are the plankton blooms that you. So it's a significant area here which is heavily understudied. So we actually don't know the food chain response, the marine food chain response to this upward. We don't know much about it. So, key understanding questions. Explain the process of wind-driven coastal upwelling. What are adjacent seas? Why are the waters of Southeast Asian seas so productive? What do you think? So why do S and T vary seasonally so much in coastal? Which processes influence the temperature and salinity? Okay, these variations that you see, seasonal variations, are much bigger than seasonal variation that you can see in the open. What are the big four coastal upwelling systems? How can you actually identify upwelling regions? What is the green belt? What are red tides? So quite a little bit for you to learn, okay, about the oceans. In the next lecture, we talk about something totally different. This is a wrong slide. We actually talk about the Indian Ocean Part 1, okay? I see you later.